What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you are searching for the best drones on Amazon in 2026, this video is for you. Today, I will show you the top 5 best drones on Amazon 2026. We will talk about camera quality, flight performance, smart features, pros and cons, and which drone is best for your needs. All product links are in the description below. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GPS drone with EIS 4K camera under 249 grams. This GPS drone is designed for beginners, kids, and casual users. It weighs under 249 grams, so no FAA registration is required. It features a 4K camera with EIS stabilization, a 4.5-inch HD screen built into the controller, and up to 45 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries. This drone is very easy to fly and perfect for first-time users. The built-in screen on the controller is a big advantage because you do not need to connect your phone. GPS features like auto return, follow me, and circle fly work well for basic aerial shots. The camera quality is good for social media and casual videos, but it is not meant for professional filmmaking. Pros: under 249 grams lightweight design. Built-in HD screen controller, long 45-minute flight time, beginner-friendly GPS features, affordable price. This is a great choice for beginners and gift buyers who want a simple, affordable drone with GPS and a built-in screen. Number 2. DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo. The DJI Air 3S is a high-end drone featuring a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a medium telecamera. It records up to 4K at 60 frames per second and includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries and the RC2 screen controller. The video quality from this drone is outstanding. Footage looks sharp, smooth, and cinematic. Obstacle avoidance works extremely well, making flying safer and more confident. The RC2 controller is bright and responsive, eliminating the need for a smartphone. This drone is designed for serious creators and professionals. Pros: excellent 4K 60 FPS video quality, dual camera system, advanced obstacle avoidance, stable and reliable flight, premium build quality. If you are a professional or serious content creator, the DJI Air 3S is one of the best drones available in 2026. Number 3. Holystone HS900 Drone. The HS900 offers 8K photos, 4K video at 30 frames per second, and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. It weighs 249 grams, making it FAA compliant. It features up to 20,000 feet of transmission range and up to 60 minutes of flight time using dual batteries. This drone delivers impressive performance for its price. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides smooth footage, and the long transmission range is excellent for landscape and travel shots. GPS return to home works reliably, and overall flight stability is solid. Pros: 3-axis mechanical gimbal, long 60-minute flight time, FAA-compliant lightweight design, strong transmission range, great value for money. The HS900 is an excellent alternative for users who want premium features without paying DJI prices. Number 4. HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K Flying Action Camera Drone. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is a foldable flying action camera drone capable of 8K recording. It supports over 10 fully automatic flight modes and can follow subjects at speeds up to 42 kilometers per hour. This drone does not require a controller. This drone is perfect for travel, sports, and vlogging. It's completely hands-free and extremely easy to use. Subject tracking is fast and accurate, making it ideal for runners, cyclists, and adventurers. However, it is not designed for long-distance manual flying. Pros: fully automatic flight modes, ultra-portable and lightweight, fast subject tracking, no controller required, great for action content. If you want a flying action camera that is simple and portable, the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is a unique and exciting option. Number 5. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. The Atom 2 features 4K video recording, 8K photos, and a 3-axis gimbal, all under 249 grams. It supports AI tracking, vertical shooting, AI night shots, and up to 96 minutes of total flight time with the Fly More combo. This drone offers excellent value for money. The long flight time is impressive, and the AI tracking features work well for content creation. Image stabilization is solid, and the drone performs reliably in most conditions. Pros: up to 96 minutes of flight time, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, AI tracking and night mode, lightweight and portable, excellent feature to price ratio. The Potensic Atom 2 is one of the best overall drones in its category, offering strong performance and advanced features at a competitive price. Those are the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2026. Whether you are a beginner, traveler, or professional creator, there's a drone on this list that fits your needs. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite drone.